In this video, we're going to speak about the aftercare once you fix the keratin bond extensions. So let's begin with a few questions. Well, the most common question is that once you fix it, will it come off? Well, it doesn't come off. Maybe within few days you will see a few strands falling. Let's say if you fix 100 strands, maybe 5 to 10 strands of them are falling. But that's absolutely normal because when you sleep, when you shampoo, when you wash your hair, few may fall off, but it's very easy. You can come back to us and we can get these fixed again. What shampoo you should use after fixing the keratin bond extensions? Well, you can use the sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. They are the safest for keratin bond extensions. How are you supposed to comb your hair? Well, whenever you comb your hair, most important, you got to use the white-tooted comb. The white-tooted comb is very, very safe. It doesn't pull your hair. So you got to start combing from the ends, then move further and then comb the roots. But make sure you do not comb the hair from the roots because otherwise it will pull from the roots and it may cause hair fall. What all aftercare products are advisable? Well, after the shampoo and conditioner, we also suggest you to use the serum. The serum will kind of detangle the hair and keep the hair nourished. Well, we also suggest you using these moisturizers, the conditioners, the masks. These are strong conditioners. Basically, you got to nourish the hair. Please understand these hair extensions are real human hair. So what happens if you don't nourish them, they'll over a period of time, obviously they're going to go dry. So they need some form of artificial nourishment. So these masks really work well and soften the hair. So my suggestion, at least do it once a week. Apply the conditioner, leave it for around 15-20 minutes and then rinse it and then natural dry your hair with a professional dryer. This maintains the shape and keeps the cuticles intact and the hair will fall better. Well, if you're somebody who styles your hair pretty often, just make sure that whatever style you've done with your natural hair, you got to do with the extensions as well. And also if you're somebody who has frizzy hair or dry hair and the extensions that you fixed are basically, they are straighter or they are babier but they are healthier hair, our suggestion, what you got to do is you basically blow dry or basically natural dry your natural hair so that the frizz settles down and then it blends better with the hair extensions. Another suggestion for keratin bond extensions, usually when you sleep, before you sleep, just braid your natural hair so that it doesn't get tangled. Usually what happens is if you leave your hair open and then sleep, when you wake up in the morning, there's quite a possibility that the hair gets tangled. So make sure you do not leave the hair open. Braid the hair and when you wake up you can open the hair. Can you oil your hair? No, we do not suggest. If you put the keratin bond extensions, please don't oil the hair on the sides and the back purely because the oil may loosen the bond of the keratin, the glue. So it's not advisable. However, if you want to oil the crown area on top, that's absolutely fine, but we would still suggest not oiling it. 2-3 months after fixing the keratin bond extensions, do not wait and extend your next application too late. Usually what happens is the glue starts melting, so it's always better that if you feel that the glue is melting, immediately go to your stylist, or if you got it done from us, you can come back to us and get it removed, re-glue and fix it. If you're going to extend this, there is quite a possibility that the glue melts and it kind of gets stuck to your natural hair, and in the process of removing that glue, your hair may fall off a bit. Well, I think we've covered most of the questions related to keratin bond extensions. Just in case if you have more questions, you can probably comment in the comment box. You can let us know what are the questions that you have. We can try to understand your questions and then probably make a video on that. Thank you so much and please subscribe to our Alchemy Hair Extensions. Thank you.